If you're helping a child turn an improper fraction into a mixed number, the tricky bit is often helping them see the whole numbers inside the fraction. I'm Marie from This Child Can, and I'll show you a simple way to explain it using pizza first and then the written method. Hi! In this video, we'll look at how to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. A mixed number is just a whole number and a fraction written together. For example, 3 1/4. Here, 3 is the whole and 1/4 is a fraction. Improper fractions can sound a bit dramatic, but an improper fraction is not actually doing anything wrong. It's just a fraction where the top number is bigger than the bottom number. This is 7/3. The numerator is the top number, this one, the 7. It tells us how many pieces we have altogether. So here we have 7 pieces. The denominator is the bottom number, the 3. It tells us how many equal pieces make one whole. For this pizza, that means something very specific. The denominator tells us how many slices each pizza has been cut into. So because the denominator is 3, each pizza has 3 slices. And once those slices are counted or eaten, we have made one whole. And that's the key idea here. I would say, look at the bottom number first. That tells us how many slices the pizza has been cut into. So for 7/3, the bottom number is 3. And that means each pizza has 3 slices. Now the top number tells us how many individual slices we have all together. The top number here is 7. So we have 7 slices in total. Now we're going to make full pizzas. There we go. This pizza is full. That means 3/3 make one whole. Now, we still have more slices to include, so we make another full pizza. There, that pizza is full too. So now we have made 2 whole pizzas. We have used 6 slices altogether. But we started with 7 slices. So what's still left? Just 1 piece here. And that piece starts the next pizza. And because this is still a thirds question, the pizza has still been cut into 3 equal slices. So that leftover piece is just 1 out of 3. That is 1/3. So 7/3 gives us 2 full pizzas and 1 slice of the next pizza. 7/3 equals 2 1/3. The important thing here is that your child can see what the whole number means. The 2 is not just appearing from a rule, but rather that we made 2 whole pizzas. And the 1/3 left over means we have 1 piece from another pizza. Now, once your child can see that, we can connect this to the written method. With 7/3, we are really asking how many full 3-slice pizzas can we make from 7 slices? Or as a division, 7 divided by 3. This means how many groups of 3 fit into 7. Now 3 fits into 7 2 whole times, and that gives us the whole number 2. 2 lots of 3 is 6, and then 7 minus 6 leaves 1. That gives us the leftover numerator 1. The denominator stays 3 because each whole pizza still has 3 slices. We've not changed from thirds into anything else. So 7/3 equals 2 1/3. Let's look at some common mistakes that children make. They may do 7 divided by 3 and get 2 remainder 1, but then not know where the remainder goes. Or they may change the denominator by accident. So I would point back to the picture and say the remainder is the slice that is in the next pizza. The denominator tells us how many slices that pizza has. So with 7/3, the leftover piece is 1 out of 3 slices. That is why it is 1/3. A good check question here is, why is the whole number 2? You are listening for something like, because we can fill 2 whole pizzas. Then ask, so why is the extra fraction 1/3? Because there is 1 slice in the next pizza, and that pizza needs 3 slices to be full. Then I would ask one more question. Why is the bottom number still 3? Because each pizza has 3 slices. If a child has low confidence, dyscalculia, ADHD, anxiety, or working memory difficulties, I would keep the process very visible and very consistent. Use the same 3 questions each time. Number 1, how many slices are in each whole pizza? Number 2, how many full pizzas can we make? And number 3, how many slices begin the next pizza? For 14 thirds, that would look like this. Each whole pizza has 3 slices. We can make 4 whole pizzas. There are 2 slices left over in the last pizza, so the answer is 4 2/3. Here's one final tip. Link the picture to division, but don't rush past the picture too quickly. Show both of these parts together. The picture, 7 slices grouped into 3 slice pizzas. Division, 7 divided by 3 equals 2, remainder 1. And the mixed number answer as 2 1/3. So in this video, we've seen that an improper fraction has enough pieces to make at least one whole. The denominator tells us how many pieces make one whole, and the numerator tells us how many pieces we have altogether. And when we turn it into a mixed number, we are finding how many full pizzas we can make and what fraction is left in the last pizza. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe to This Child Can for more calm, practical explanations for parents, tutors and teachers. And I'd love to know in the comments, do you find improper fractions easier to explain with pictures, division, or both together?